This is WTOC's Eye on Business.
Carla Case McCorvey is my guest today, and she is veterinarian and owner at Case Veterinary Hospital, and we're glad to have you here with us this morning.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Case Veterinary has been around for 100 years.
100
Congratulations.
years.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
A lot of changes.
Tons of changes. Very, very exciting changes.
Tell us about them. What do you want us to know?
The biggest thing I'd really like that Savannah to know at this point is that we have new techniques available for their pets. I mean, pets are like our families now, and if we were to go to the doctor, we would expect to have minimally invasive procedures. For example, if you or I or our sister, aunt, grandmother needed a hysterectomy, we would not want a long abdominal incision, open abdominal approach. We'd want the tiny little puncture incision done with a scope or a laparoscope, and that's available now with our pets. We're doing it at Case Veterinary Hospital every day.
Wow.
Surgery within the abdomen with a little camera and the instruments inserted through the tiny little puncture incisions, much less invasive. There's not a, an incision to worry about after. There's 3 small incisions versus this long one. They go home the same day.
And people always worry about the pets. Are they going to bother the
Exactly.
incisions? So it takes a lot of the stress
It really
for the owner.
does. It really does. Much lower incidence of complications, much more comfortable. It really has made a tremendous difference in what we can offer pets now.
Okay, 60 seconds, and we'll have more information about you and your pet and their medical care. Please stay with us.
Eye on Business, sponsored in part by Alabama's Robert Trent Jones Golf Trail.
Carla, will you all recommend which procedure for whatever problem, right?
Right.
How would we know as the owner or the parent of these pets or our children, 4-legged children, is it affordable? Is it something to consider?
Absolutely, it really is. It's not nearly as expensive as you would think it is, and it's an option that we can offer that helps them to feel better faster and go home sooner, usually the same day. Not only routine procedures like spays, but even if we have like a mass in the abdomen, in the past we would have to open the abdomen just to get a piece of the tissue to know if we have cancer or anything like that. Now we can take a peek and get a little piece and send them home, and they go home the same day. It's fantastic.
You can go to casevet.com for more information. My guest today, Carla Case McCorvey, and that's with Case Veterinary Hospital. It's been another segment of WTOC's Eye on Business.